So there are two spirals of energy active on this planet right now. There is a descending spiral of all the old, the power over, the control, the money, that I've got all this and I'm going to make sure I keep it and you don't have any. All of that energy is a decreasing, descending spiral, and there's nowhere for it to go. It's just going to disappear into itself. And it's all the way we've been living here, out of balance, out of harmony, hierarchical, with a few people at the top controlling most of the resources and the lives of most of the people at the bottom. So the other spiral is an ascending spiral, and that's the one that is taking us home. It's the one that's taking us into love and into light. So